A very good morning to all of you, and once again welcome to all of you in my new video. And today we shall discuss the new topic or the derivative of new functions like exponential and logarithmic functions. So today we shall discuss how will you find out the derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. So first, all of you know that the exponential function y equal to e की power x. This is called the exponential function if there is a relation between exponential and logarithmic. Suppose if we will take the log on both sides, so this is log of y equal to log of ex, and we know that some properties of logarithmic functions, property number 1, log of x into y equal to log x plus log of y. This base of that log may be either e or a, so there is no problem, it is either e or either a. So same base is there. Similar, log of x by y equal to log of x minus log of y. And the third one is log of x to power n or x to power y. So this is equal to y of log x, and exponential means the base of log must be equal to e. So log, taking the log on both sides, it will become log of y equal to x log of e base e, and this value is equal to 1. So here we will get a relation between exponential and logarithmic. If y equal to e to power x, then we will write log of y equal to x. So this is a relation between logarithmic and exponential. So now we have to discuss the derivative of logarithmic function and exponential function. So we know that the derivative of exponential function is, suppose derivative of exponential function is equal to exponential function. We will verify this formula with the help of first principle. If you are using the first principle, then by taking the first principle formula, we can easily verify that. So this is the number 1, and the second one is derivative of log of x equal to 1 by x. So this is the derivative of exponential function, and this is the derivative of logarithmic function. Don't forget that the derivative of logarithmic function is 1 by x whose base is e. Otherwise, suppose different base is given, means the derivative of logarithmic function whose, we can say that this is like of not log derivative. This is suppose log a base b is given. So how will you convert that logarithmic function into base of e? So this can be written as base of e log a divided by log of b base of e. So by this formula we will convert the given log. Suppose log x base 10 is given. So how will you convert that log x in base of e? So this is log of x base of e by this formula, and this is log of 10 base of e. So by after converting this formula, after converting the log x into the base e, we will find the derivative of log x by 1 by x. So here we have to discuss some questions like exercise 5 point. Yesterday we have discussed the exercise 5.2 and 5.3, and today we have to discuss the exercise 5.4. So question number 1 is that e की power x divided by sin x. So e की power x divided by sin x. Question number 1 is given y equal to e की power x divided by sin x. Here there are two functions. First is exponential function and second is sine function. So I think there is no problem to find the derivative of that function, because you know very well the derivative of exponential function is exponential function and derivative of sine x is cos x. So first you have to use the quotient rule for finding the derivative of that function. ddx of y is equal to the derivative of e की power x by sin x. So while using this quotient rule, derivative divided by denominator square, denominator into derivative of numerator, minus numerator into derivative of denominator. So sin x into derivative of e की power x is equal to e की power x. So this is e की power x minus e की power x, and derivative of sin x is cos x divided by sin square x. So if you can take e की power x is common, so this result become e की power x sin x minus cos x divided by sin square x. So this is the derivative of question number 1. Similarly, we can complete so many questions given in that exercise. I would like to discuss the problem number 2. Problem number 2 is that y equal to e की power sin inverse x. Problem number 2 is that y equal to e की power sin inverse x. So here this exponential function is also a composite function. Here is not e की power x. X is sin inverse x. And in previous video we have discussed the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions like sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse and cot inverse, and all the inverse trigonometric functions we have already discussed the derivative. So derivative of that function is ddx of e power sin inverse x. We are using the direct formula. First, it is like e की power x, and the derivative of e की power x is e की power x, and the value of x is sin inverse x. So now we will find the derivative of sin inverse x. And yesterday and in my previous video we have discussed that what is the derivative of sin inverse x, and the derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Now we have to find out the derivative of x. So this is 1. So there is no need to find out the derivative. So this is the solution of the question number 2 or problem number 2. Similar, one more problem is also given. Question number 4. 3 is same, just same as this question. 4 sin tan inverse e की power minus x. Question number 4. Y equal to sin tan inverse e की power minus x. This is the problem number 4, and we have to discuss the derivative of that. So first sin is here, it means for the sin function it will like a x. So this is sin x, and we know that the derivative of sin x is equal to cos, and x is tan inverse e की power minus x. Now the derivative of this x is tan inverse e की power minus x. For tan inverse e की power minus x, it will like a x. So tan inverse x, and in my previous video we have already discussed that the derivative of tan inverse x is cos tan inverse e to the power minus x into 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is e to the power minus x whole square and derivative of e to the power minus x. Now this will like a e to the power x. E to the power minus x is like e to the power x. So this is cos tan inverse e to the power minus x into 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square into derivative of e to the power x. This will work as a x and the derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. And now the derivative of here is not x, here is a minus x. So you have to find out the derivative of minus x. So this is minus 1. So minus 1 is minus sign is here. Cos tan inverse e to the power minus x into e to the power minus x divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x का whole square. This is the derivative. Similar, we can find the derivative of question number 5 log cos e to the power x, just same as this question. 6, there is no problem. Individual, you have to find out the derivative of each term. Question number 7 is also very easy. Root e to the power of x. Question number 7, y equal to root e to the power of x. So there is no problem. This can be written as e to the power of x the whole power 1 by 2. First of all, e to the power root x power 1 by 2, it will like as x power n. This is the variable and this is the constant, so it will like a x power n. And we know that the derivative of x power n is n x power n minus 1. And now we have to find out the derivative of e power root x. So for e power root x, this will work as a x, and the derivative of e power x is e power x. So this is 1 by 2, this is power minus half, this power minus half can be written as, and this is e power x into, now the derivative of root x, and root x means x power 1 by 2. And again using the formula of x power n, so it will become e power root x upon 2 root e power x root x and 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1. So with the help of composite functions, you are free. Either you have to use the direct formula or chain rule of the differentiation. So I think this method is easy in comparison to chain rule of the differentiation. So now I would like to discuss the last question. Cos log x plus e power x is same as the other question. Cos log x plus e power x. Question number 10, and this is the last question of exercise. Cos log x plus e power x. So first for the cos, this will work as a x. So derivative of this cos is, all of you know that the derivative of cos is minus sign, and x is whatever x is given, we will write here, and the derivative of log x plus e power x. So this is minus sign log x plus e power x, and the derivative of log x is 1 by x and e power x is e power x. So this is the solution of the last question. So in this exercise, questions are same as the previous exercise, but here we will find the some new functions like logarithmic function and exponential function. So thanks to all for watching this video, and in my next video we shall discuss the logarithmic function, how we do find out the derivative of logarithmic function. Thank you once again.